welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you guys how I got this cute jumbo twist protective style in my hair. I would say it's a tutorial, but technically like it's not, because I realized I was kind of like showing you guys me doing my hair as opposed to like going into every little detail as to like how to plait the hair. I went into details on how to twist the hair, but not really how to plait the hair. So if you would like to see how I got this look, then please just keep on watching. So I have already did most of my hair yesterday, like the perimeter of it, and I did the perimeter first just in case I had ran out of hair. That way if I had to go out, it wouldn't be so obvious that I ran out and that I needed to go get more. So I would just put it in a ponytail, which I ended up running out. But I did want to show you guys how I accomplished these twists. So I did the rubber band method again. I do have another video doing the rubber band method, so I didn't really record how I actually did the whole process of putting my hair in rubber bands, but I just did random shapes like square, rectangle, triangle. I didn't want it to be like perfectly symmetrical, so I did not do all the same shape squares. So I do have all of them in a rubber band already, and I'm just going to show you guys how I got the twist. The kind of hair I'm going to be using, I wish I still had the packet. Maybe I do. Let me get it for you guys, because the kind of hair that I use is this kind right here. It is the X-Pression, and then I use the color, can you guys see that? I use the color 1B. Yeah, 1B, and the hair comes really, really long. I only had to use 3 packs. Yeah, a little over 2.5, like 2 3/4 of a pack. So yeah, that's how much I use. And I did cut the hair in half. I cut it in half, and I just created these big chunks off to the side for me to be able to just grab the hair and go. It's better to just go ahead and set up everything before you start on your hair. That way you can get it finished faster. My sister helped me with most of these. She started out, we decided to start out by braiding it and then finishing off with the twist. So she did the braiding part for me and I did the twisting part. And a few of these in the front are not rubber band method because I want it to look more natural in certain areas. So I did not do the rubber band. I did not want the rubber band to show. So that's why the front, some of them in the front are not rubber band, but the rest of my hair will be the rubber band method. You will need, I'm using Gorilla Snot. If you're natural, you're going to need like something to make your hair look more sleek and shiny, because as you can see, the hair that I use is super shiny, and then my natural hair is like textured kind of. So you're gonna need something to make your hair look sleek and shiny. So you can use like the jam, or I'm using the jam. I'm not using jam. I'm using something that got the similar texture jam. It's actually called Just For Me Natural Kids Hair Milk. It's like soothing edge cream. I use this on my daughter, and it's like more of a natural product, so I prefer to use this over using jam. And I don't really care for jam. It's like way too oily for me. So yeah, that's what I'm using. I pretty much said everything I wanted to say, and I got everything that I really need to do my hair. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start on the tutorial, and I'm only gonna show you guys a few, because obviously I don't need to show you guys me doing like my full head, because all you need to learn how to do is one, and then you're gonna be able to do the rest of your hair. So I'm going to take some of the product in here and rub it and then put it on my hair. And make sure you focus on your ends a lot too, because you definitely want that to blend. And then I'm going to take a little bit of Gorilla Snot to put that on my hair also. As you can see, it's making my hair like look straight, but here's the thing. I had to comb through it to make it like straight, but it did kind of try to curl up on me. But yeah, I just have to try to do it as quick as possible so that won't happen. So then I'm going to take the hair to get the braid. Some people do it the full twist, but all twist and no braids to start out, but I can't do that. So I take a small piece and a big piece, and I interlock them how you would start out a plait. And then they're kind of like this. This is what it looks like. And then I'm going to hold on to this part right here, and then stick my finger through here to be able to grip this hair right here. This is not a plaiting tutorial, so if you would like to learn how to plait, I need for you to click a different video and then come back and watch it, because I am not the world's greatest platter. Like, I do just enough to get by. Y'all, I'm really trying to stay positive during this video, but my camera is really pushing it. Like, that's an explanation for why my Vlogmas has went downhill, because if I'm not vlogging, I need my professional sit down camera, and it's been acting up. So I have to figure something out with that. I have to get it taken to get checked out. So yeah, when you're twisting, make sure you're kind of like rubbing your hand and twirling it around at the same time, because if you don't, your twist will come right back loose. So yeah, kind of like rub it or twirl it at the same time while you're twisting the hair in order to make it stay. As you can see, the bottom of it is not a blunt cut, because I did like kind of pull out the ends and fringe it so it won't look like a perfectly straight blunt cut, because that is another way to stop your stuff from coming loose. It stops it from unraveling at the end. So just make sure the ends don't look perfect. As of now, I'm going to keep the ends straight, but I think I want to rod the ends up later. So I'm going to finish this off, probably play some music or something. And yeah, you guys can just watch the process. Play around with it to see how I want it to lay. I always do my signature, get more hair on this side and then some on the other side. So for my accessories, I ended up getting these little gold clampies with some owls on it, but of course you wouldn't be able to, I'll kind of try to show it, we'll see. Anyways, it's some gold clampies with a little owl, and then I got some regular gold clamps, and then the little string that goes through it. course you gotta do something with your edges. Well, not of course, because you obviously don't have to do your edges if you don't want to. But I like to do my edges. So I just took a little bit of that Gorilla Snot, which I know is not going to stay because I'm not going to use a scarf. Because I just need it to stay for the outro of the video. So this is the finished look of my hair, you guys. This is how long it is. It goes like right here. And I have on a half shirt, so it goes like right at the edge of my belly. But if I were to turn around to the back, it'll go right to my butt area. And I'll probably put hot water on the ends. I think I want to kind of curl the ends. I don't know, haven't quite decided on that part yet. But here's the finished look of the hair. Isn't it so cute? Like, this is a bomb protective style. Alright guys, that is pretty much it for this video. Like, I am obsessed with this hairstyle. I've had this hairstyle before, but it was like way different. It was my first time trying it. I didn't really like how it turned out, but I definitely love how it turned out this time. I was really scared about it being like too heavy on my head because I'm very tender-headed, but since I cut the hair in half and I only use 3 packs as opposed to 6, 7 packs that some people use, it is not heavy at all. It's very light. Even though the twists are big, it might look heavy, but the hair is not heavy at all. I really like it. I'm gonna try to keep it in for about 2 to 3 weeks, and that is pretty much it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video.